Dustin Thompson. We're here at Ashland-Boyd County Regional Airport here in Ashland, Kentucky, on the edge of the Ohio River, to introduce a brand new infotainment web series called Bird Nerd TV. Now, this is a pretty ambitious project because it's not a blog or a vlog or any kind of og. It will be a legitimate show and the only one of its type to feature flying in the smaller sectors in the general aviation market. So what actually sets this apart from just another vlog? Well, to start with, we are launching with 3 full-length documentaries on the subject of general aviation, talking about the planes, talking about the airports, talking about the pilots, and in a manner similar to the shows that I listed in the intro. Now, for me to put all this together, I'm actually going to need your help, so I've included a link in the video description below of a Kickstarter that I've set up for you guys, and I've made the mistake of making it too short. So I've included all kinds of cool rewards, like t-shirts with your name on them and our logo, to plugging in your projects in some of our videos. I've provided more information in the link to our Kickstarter if you'd like to know more about it. If you're not able to contribute, though, a simple share goes a long way, trust me. I'm Dustin Thompson. Happy flying. I almost lost it.